Students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today I am going to explain the second part of the chapter Triumph of Surgery. The chapter written by James Herriot. In the first part, you have read Dr. Herriot was really worried to see Tricky. He was very fat, his eyes were red and rummy. The doctor had advised Mrs. Winfrey to cut down his food rightly and give him exercise daily. Dear students, you have read that doctor received a call from Mrs. Winfrey that Tricky was not eating anything and was vomiting again and again. So, Dr. Harriet suggested Mrs. Winfrey that Tricky must be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Thus, you have read that Tricky was taken to the hospital. Now, let's see what happened at the surgery in the second part. Dear students, let's read passage 19 to 21 given in our textbook. Dear students, as you have read, Tricky was taken to the hospital. Now, at the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. Here side meant gathered. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing. Sniffing means smelling with nose. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. Dear students, when Mr. Harriet reached at the surgery, the other dogs at the surgery surrounded him. He put Tricky on the carpet and he laid motionless on the carpet. The other dog smelled Tricky and decided that he was an uninteresting object for them. So they ignored him. Now let us read the next passage. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where dogs slept. The narrator made the bed for Tricky. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Dear students, narrator made a bed for Tricky in a warm loose box. He observed him. First for 2 days, he gave him only plenty of water. At the end of second day, Tricky started showing some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he whimpered when he heard the other dogs in the yard. Now let's read the next passage. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Here, trotted out means moved out, and was immediately engulfed, that means surrounded, by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved down the garden. The Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Here, when the narrator opened the door, Tricky moved out, and immediately he was surrounded by Joy, who was a greyhound. and his friends. That means Joy's friends. That means other dogs. The dogs inspected him, and after that they moved off down the garden. Tricky also followed them. Dear students, now let's see the word meaning from the passage. Surged, that means gathered around, at, group, sniffing, smelling with nose, whimper, to cry in pain, trotted out, moved out, engulfed, surrounded by. Dear students, let's see explanation of these passages. As soon as they reached the hospital, that means the narrator and Tricky reached the hospital, all the other dogs gathered around the doctor. Tricky looked at all of them, and when the doctor put him down on the carpet, he could not even move. Tricky could not even move. The other dogs then sniffed him and thought to themselves that he was a very uninteresting object and that there was no use standing there, and left. The other dog left from there. When the narrator made the bed for Tricky in a warm box along with the other dogs. For 2 days, narrator kept him just on water and nothing else. On the second day, he roamed around looking at the people, looking at the place around him. And on the third day, he was also making noise to let the people in the hospital know that he too wanted to go out with the other dogs. When the narrator opened the door, Tricky quickly came out and was surrounded by Joy, who was a greyhound, and his friends. Again, after sniffing him for a moment, all of them left for the garden, where Tricky followed them. Dear friends, now let's read the passage 22 to 24. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by sounds of high-pitched eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of the meal. One day, when the narrator was present at the feeding time, he saw his partner put the food bowls in front of the dogs, and every dog was in hurry to get his food. Let's read the next passage. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling for way toward it. Here, when all the dogs had taken their food, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, and he licked one or two of them. So, next day, an extra bowl was put out for Tricky. The narrator was pleased to see Tricky fighting for his way toward food. Now let's read the next passage. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly skirmishes. Here, scrimmage means fighting. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an unexpected member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the saggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rat in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Here, Tricky was not given any medical treatment, but his progress was rapid. Now he had become he had become the member of the gang. He fight like a tiger for his share at meal times, and he hunt rat in the old hen house. Tricky had never had such a time in his life before. Now he was quite well. Now the word meaning from the passage: jostling, pulling, skimmage, fights, scratch, damage, saggy, dropping rough hair. Let's see the explanation of these passages. One evening, the narrator was present at dining time and was watching all of them, especially Tristan, as he was sloping the food. All of them were eating with great speed because they knew that if they did not finish quickly, then the other dog, after finishing his meal, would come to eat their meal. When everybody finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining bowls and also licked a few bowls. The very next day, an extra bowl was put for him, and the narrator was happy to see him running toward his bowl. Then he started getting better really quick. He did not require any medicines and started playing with the other dogs the whole day. They all used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over each other, squash each other. All of the other dogs expected him as a family member, although he was very different from others as he was very well taken care of by his owner and others were not. He also used to fight for his meals with his fellow dogs, who were much larger in size than he. At night, he would also hunt rats in the hen house. He was enjoying as he had never done such things before. Dear students, up to here we have got explanation up to passage 24. For the explanation of the remaining passage, you watch the next video.